When we hear about the word machine learning, the question that arises to our mind is basically what, why, where, and how machine learning is used. In this video, we are going to talk about it in more detail. I am Arun Solomon here. Welcome to my channel. Machine learning. It is a buzzing word and a trending job in the current market. But did you know that it was there since 1950? Exactly speaking, in 1959 by Arthur Samuel, who was a pioneer in the field of computer games and artificial intelligence, said that machine learning is a field of study that gives computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. After that, there were many studies related to machine learning, and in the year 1998, Tom Mickle, who was a computer science professor, said that a computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some task T and some performance measure P if the performance on task T, as measured by the performance of P, improves with the experience E. This was the definition by Tom Mickle. And in 2012, University of Washington defined machine learning as algorithm that can figure out how to perform important tasks by generalizing from examples is called machine learning. And last definition is from NVIDIA on 2016 said that practice on using algorithm to passive data, learning from it and then making a determination or predicting about something in the world is called machine learning. These are the four definitions that are some of the best definitions that we can say about machine learning. Why machine learning? The world today is involved and so has the need of requirements for people. We can say that there was a boom in technology starting from the late 90s and so has the data. In order to derive meaningful insights from the data and learn the way in which people and the system interact, we need computational algorithm that can provide us with results that would benefit us in the various way. Currently, machine learning is having an impact on industries like medicine, healthcare, manufacturing, banking. Therefore, machine learning has been an essential part of the modern world. Use cases, applications, and where machine learning are used. These are some of the best examples of machine learning use cases and applications. We all have used email. Email uses a technique called spam detection technique to filter out spammed and unspammed mail. Similarly, in Facebook, when we upload pictures, it automatically recognizes who is in the picture. This technique is called face recognition technique. Similarly, in Google Map also, they have used this machine learning to predict the traffic. And so on, we can say many other, like chatbot is there, speech recognition softwares are there, fault detection is there, weather forecasting and prediction is there, stock market analysis and forecasting is there, and many other. Nowadays, there are many researches going on in the field of machine learning. The next topic we are going to see is the difference between machine learning and traditional programming. In traditional programming, we give the input and the program so that we get an output. But in machine learning, we give the input and the output so the computer can create a program that will give this output. That is the common difference between traditional and machine learning. I have given an example. Working of machine learning. The core objective of machine learning is to learn from the data that is given. The process starts from collecting the data, finding out the patterns from the data, and defining a mathematical model to predict the result. Approaches of machine learning. We can divide each machine learning models into different categories. There are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, reinforcement learning. If you like this video, please like and share this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Happy learning.